So many people don't realize that they are literally a couple months away from their dream life. The time that it took me to go from making $2,500 a month to making over 50K a month, it took me about 6 months, and that is with all the mistakes I made. So if I didn't make any mistakes, it would have took me like 3 months. The reason why is because we're all conditioned to just work hard. And before you blow up my comments, I was literally that person who was like, bro, I know making money is not that hard. But the way I was moving, it didn't align with what I was thinking. And that's literally because I had no clear examples on how to actually work smarter and not harder. I tried everything. It was like my stock trading era where I blew all my money. I tried affiliate marketing and I didn't like the weird icky feeling I got with that. Looked into drop shipping. This was while I was still working 10 hours a day at my call center job. One day I just had to realize like, dude, the internet is a real thing. I can make money from anywhere in the world by connecting to anyone in the world. That's when everything changed. Money, everything. Like you don't need physical products. There are people that are out here selling their knowledge online. And these big online companies that are doing well, you can develop skills that help them do better. I literally learned the high income skill of remote closing, went to a company that was already making $300,000 a month. I made that company an extra 30% in revenue, which was around $90,000. I made 15% commission based on what I brought in. Made 13K. You gotta realize, but at like that point, I was a beginner. I wasn't even performing at max potential. I read one book, watched a couple YouTube videos, and went all in. Now that we have like LinkedIn, Upwork, Instagram, if you're willing to put in the work, bro, you have no excuse. You don't have to start a company. I made that money applying my skills to another already successful company. If you're not making at least $8,000 a month, you are seriously dropping the ball. So literally go on Google and look up high income skills. You don't have to do remote closing. That's just the one I chose. There are so many out there. You don't even have to listen to me. But it is your turn to stop trying to work harder and work smarter. If you want to learn about how I did it step by step, go to my free remote closing class. If you do what I say, you will make money. Just commit to doing the work.